For minor clogs, DIY drain cleaning brushes can be effective. Severely damaged drain lines may require replacement. Ensure the drain line is properly vented to prevent airlocks. Consider installing a secondary drain pan as a precaution, especially in attics or above living spaces. Experts recommend annual inspections to prevent leaks, which are 70% preventable with proactive maintenance. Newer Goodman models incorporate improved materials like UV-resistant PVC for drain lines, increasing durability. Trends in AC maintenance focus on tech-driven solutions. Some Goodman units now integrate with apps for predictive alerts. Eco-friendly solutions like biodegradable drain cleaners and refrigerant alternatives that lower condensation are also gaining traction. The future involves AI-driven diagnostics for automatic drain flushing, improving leak prevention. By implementing these repair solutions and preventative measures and staying aware of future trends, you can maintain your Goodman AC unit effectively and prevent drainline leaks.